So now I'm going to show you how to make your very own moon sand. What you need first is some flour, and then you only need one other thing, which is some oil, and you're going to pour it in to your flour. And then here's where we get a little bit messy because you need to mix it together. So we're going to mix it. Maybe the oil is going to go into like a little bowl. You're going to try and squish it out. And mix it all up. Keep mixing, squishing it through your hands. And soon you can see that your moon sand is getting ready. Something that's really fun about moon sand is when it's ready and it's going to stick together like this, so you can build things with it. It's kind of a little bit like Play-Doh, and you can make your very own moonscape. You can use like a little pot to build a moon sand castle. Remember, it can be a little bit messy, but we must clean up after we play. It's not Mummy's job to clean up your mess. Here's my moon sand castle. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, got my little moon sand castle. So you can play with this however you like. With your moon sand, make different things with it. Hope you have fun.